Shoot. Claro. Shoot, that's why I'm recording our conversation and I'm recording the ocean. So when I see you, I'll be like, this is what I saw when I was talking to you on the phone. Wanna bet? You would have lost like right away, man. You would have lost right away. It's so sad. Long is over here. He's in Thailand with me, remember? Claro. So he's the ultimate bettor and I'm the second ultimate bettor. Where do you stand? Word. We basically, you're not even allowed to compete with us because it's just not fair. It's just not fair because we dom you and own you and serve you, and then people would think yeah, when we were kayaking you were asleep. Seriously, that's how you roll, right? You don't want the world to know your power. Makes sense. That's how you have to clear your throat, right? Because of all the BS stuck there. Sí, señorita.